Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to solve the 2x2 mirror cube. If you haven't seen my previous video on the 2x2 Rubik's Cube, please go back and watch it now. It's on the links below. It also contains all the basics for solving the Rubik's Cube, including cube notations and a few essential moves to solve the 2x2. Now, let's get down to solving the cube. This is the 2x2 Rubik's Cube, and this is the 2x2 mirror cube. Now, the only difference between the two is that when you're solving the 2x2 mirror cube, you're actually relying on the dimensions of the blocks instead of the colors of the cube. For example, we can notice that all the blocks in this top layer are considerably smaller than all the blocks in this bottom layer. In this tutorial, we'll be solving the big blocks first. Now, our very first step in the mirror cube is to solve the bottom face and the bottom layer of the cube. Now, before we start, let's just shuffle the cube. Now this is our fully scrambled 2x2 mirror cube. Now we're solving from the big blocks first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find one of the big blocks and I'm going to put that at the bottom of the cube. So this is the big block and I'm going to put this at the bottom of the cube. Now I'm going to start solving. So I'm going to try and find some other big blocks which I can position. This big block seems to have the same width as this big block over here. So I think this big block should be positioned over here. So I'm going to put this over here and slot it in using my triggers. So right now I'm going to use my right trigger. So R, U, R prime. There we go. That's half of our first face and our first layer done already. Now for the other pieces. This is another big block. We can see that the width of this big block over here is quite similar to the width of this big block over here. So naturally these two pieces would go together. So I'm going to trigger this in. This time I'm going to use my left trigger. L prime, U prime, L. There we go. And just one more piece left. And that'll be this piece. It's the biggest piece here, and it's also another one of the big blocks. So I'm going to take this and trigger it over here. So first I have to position it for a trigger. So R, U, R prime. It went down, so one more trigger, R, U, R prime. Now it's ready to trigger. I'm just going to position it over here so these two blocks are aligned. And now my final trigger, my right trigger, R, U, R prime. This is our very first face and our very first layer of the 2x2 mirror cube already finished. The next step in solving the 2x2 mirror cube is to solve the upper face of the cube. Now the 2x2 mirror cube, the upper face consists of flat pieces. In this case, there's no flat pieces, which means we have to do our algorithm, which goes like this. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Now in this situation, we have one flat piece, which is comparable to the situation in the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. We have one yellow piece on top like this. In this case, we have to shift this to the bottom left corner of the 2x2 Rubik's Cube, and then do our algorithm, which goes like this. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. It's the same on 2x2 mirror cube where we orient this so it's in our bottom left corner and we can do our algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So now we have our fully solved upper face. There's one more case which occurs when you're trying to solve the upper face of the 2x2 mirror cube. This is this case over here. We have two flat pieces over here and two tall pieces over here. This is comparable to the case in the 2x2 Rubik's Cube when you have two yellow pieces over here and two other colored pieces over here. In this case, just like in the 2x2 Rubik's Cube, we have to shift this flat area to the right side and do our algorithm once more. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And now we have that situation once more where we have one flat piece and the rest are all tall, and we can start again with our algorithm until we finish our face. So now we can move this over here so it's in our left palm and do the rest of the algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And then we have that one flat piece once again. We're orienting it once more and we're going to do our algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And there's our top face finished once again. Now I've explained all the possible cases when you're solving the top face. Now let's go to the last and final step in solving the 2x2 mirror cube, the upper layer of the cube. For our algorithm to solve our upper layer, there's one holding position to be aware of. This is when we have one entire face already solved. So that would be where we've got one flat area over here. We can orient that our left palm. In our case, we don't have that, so we can simply do our algorithm, which goes like this. L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime, R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Now this is the case I mentioned earlier. This is where we've got one extra face over here. We're going to place this in our left palm and then do our algorithm. L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime, R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And that is our fully solved 2x2 mirror cube. There we go. We just solved the 2x2 mirror cube. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next upload.